Hello friends, today in this video I will discuss about English learning, that whether English learning is difficult or it is very easy. For some people it is very easy to learn English language, but for some people it is very difficult because those people who do not get the opportunities, proper platform to learn the English language, they feel some kind of difficulty while learning this language, while others people, those get the platform, spoken English courses or teachers or friend circle around them with whom they can speak English and make their practice. They feel easy to learn English language, and they get less time than those who don't have such kind of facilities. In the same way, I face so many problems while learning English language, and still I am not too much fluent because I don't have any friend circle or family member with whom I could make my practical experience of spoken English. So I face so many problems, and sometimes you can speak the local sentences on daily basis, but when it comes to speak fluently with detailed lecture, you have to give the detailed lecture, then you feel the difficulty. Then you requires the difficult words to memorize their meanings, because there are so many difficult words in English language. When you speak fluently, you need some vocabulary in your mind to put that vocabulary into sentences. In this way, I used to read the books, spoken English language book and some other books, and sometimes whenever I watch at that time whenever I watch the movie, there was a subtitle in the movie, and so I watched the movie. Watch the movie, then I used to write down the subtitle in my notebook, because that movie is in spoken way, and from when you listen first of all your own language, then you translate it into English, then it is very easy. And that that movie is in the dialogue form, and it makes better practice for you to speak English fluently, a spoken English experience. I am sitting in a natural environment, wind is blowing, you can see in background, and also there are clouds in the sky, and I thought this is very good environment, I should make this video in this beautiful environment. Hope you also listening to me, watching my videos, and also enjoying the background scenery and environment. So at that time I used to write down the subtitles in my notebook, and I used to memorize that subtitles on daily basis. And after that I found a book, spoken English language book. I have this book, and this is the book. You can see this is old time book. I found this book from my friend, and this book is in dialogue form. So some people are going to the market and talking to each other's, going to the shop and purchasing some things and talking to the shopkeeper, and going to the visit, going to the park and discussing with each other. In classroom, students talking with each other's spoken English, and some other words are also written. This book has the chapters, chapter wise. You can see here is Ramesh, please show towels. Shopkeeper, sir, in small size or full size? Ramesh, full size. Shopkeeper, please see these. Ramesh, please show some more colors. Take this blue towel. In this way, this book is in dialogue shape, and this is from India. And this book name is, I think, I got from my cousin at that time, and you will check. The name is spoken English language book, and what will be the name? It is covered with the newspaper, and it is very difficult for me to check the name of this book. However, this is the old version of book. I don't know on this time it is available or not available, and the heads perhaps leave it. This book is from India, and they have written that they publish the book on a regular basis. So of spoken English language, advanced English courses, and they are making the courses. This is very good book. This book has helped me a lot in my spoken English language, because in other way I was reading the books in fiction form, but this was in dialogue form, and it make me easy sometimes to speak with some friends or people, how to make the dialogues, how to deliver your speech or your ideas, how to discuss with others people. This is very good book, and I have read this book several times, because after the interval of some months I used to memorize, I used to repeat this book, so that those dialogues are feed in my mind, and whenever it comes to speak out, I fluently speak out the words. If I don't read this book, I would not be more fluent than this. I am still not fluent, because I don't have any person or friend circle with whom I can speak or deliver my speech or discuss with each others. So I am facing the problems, and when I read these dialogues from these kind of books, when I found that sometimes I feel difficulties, because sometimes you have to use some difficult words into your speech. For that you should be collection in your mind, a lot of collection of words in your mind. So then I started searching the difficult words and writing down in my notebook, and writing their meanings in my own language, and I also used to memorize those difficult words on with some interval. I have the collection of such kind of papers where so many words, thousands of words are written, and sometimes I used to memorize them to make my vocabulary sound more powerful. In this way I started learning this language, because it was my wish. And if you don't have any dream, if you like anything, you feel easy, and if you don't like anything, you feel difficulty while doing the hard work. Where is your interest? You don't feel difficulty in hard working. But where there is you are not interested in, you feel difficulty while doing that thing. So I was interested in learning English language, and I felt happiness while learning and reading the difficult words. Sometimes I becomes very puzzled, because sometimes there are so many words, very difficult words, and it is very difficult for you to memorize them. So sometimes I felt very difficulty, but I continue my struggle. And right now I am not saying that I am expert, but I can say that I can make a English person understand whatever I am saying, because main thing is that to make others people understanding. Whatever I have said in this video, you have understood. If you have understood, please write down in the comment box that all my speech you have understood. There might be errors or mistakes, but ignoring those mistakes, the meaning of the theme of this speech you have understood. If you have understood, my message is reached to you. So in this way, if you want to improve your English language, first of all you should be interested in speaking English. I was interested in, because I was watching the people doing the interview or giving the interview in English language, and I was very much interested at that time that one day I will also give my interview in English language, and one day I will also speak English language. So I was such kind of interest in my mind, and I was learning English language at that time, because no one here in my locality or my society was interested in English language. All were reading the books and giving the papers just to get the you can say job. Only the people, mostly people are reading or studying to get the job. There are some people who are studying to get the knowledge. So your main mission should be to get the knowledge. When you get the knowledge, probably surely you will get the job. So in this way I was doing my struggles, and this was my favorite subject in class, and I used to get good marks in this subject. And in my matriculation exam, I thought when I gave the paper, and I thought I discussed with my friends that I would solve the paper thoroughly. I have solved the paper, and I would get the good marks, 150 marks, and out of 150 marks I will get the whole marks. But when the result came, my marks were 105 from English subject. I was astonished, and my result is pending. At that time my result was pending. Then I come to know that the person who was sitting to me, the student who was sitting backside to me, was using my roll number on his papers, because he at that time knew that I was eligible in English language, and he was not good in English, and he wrote his roll number. Not instead of writing his roll number, he wrote my roll number on his paper. So when the roll numbers were same, then the problems occurs. So I have to go to the board, and at that time I had to go to the board and solve the problems. In this way my numbers were less. However, I gave that time the paper in good way. And right now, whenever I, after making the video, whenever I watch my videos, I find some mistakes when I used to talk about the past time. Then I make the mistakes, because you have also seen that sometimes direct and indirect, making the speeches of direct and indirect, you can make the mistakes. So slowly and gradually you will solve such kind of problems. Hope you find this video useful. If you find this video useful, give your feedback in comment box, and also subscribe this channel, like this video, share this video your friends, and help me to promote my this English language channel to others people. And also give your feedback that what kind of mistakes you find in my speech, and what other things are needed to improve my speaking quality. Hope you find this video useful. Allow me from this video. I Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.